How are you folks? It's Julian Leach from Verse Property and I'm down here on site at Skye 17. As you can see, it's well underway with construction, so let's go have a look. With over 70% already sold, there's only a limited few remaining. These luxurious apartments will be ready by April 2019, and the location we know will take your breath away. From Skye 17, you're going to be walking distance to restaurants, cafes, Claysbrook Cove, the newly completed Mattagutta footbridge that'll take you straight to where the action is at Optus Stadium. So if you value being close to both the Perth CBD as well as the entertainment precincts in the east, there is no question, Skye 17 is your answer. Promising to be one of East Perth's most unique, iconic and luxurious apartment properties, Skye 17, finished by Versace, is a one-of-a-kind you won't want to miss out on. With only limited availability of remaining stock, soon to be complete, be quick to inquire about securing your piece of prestige property at Skye 17.